Here is ByBit app, buy and trade crypto. So you can just tap to get and then double click to install, and then you will be able to install it. It's in the top charts in finance. Welcome to ByBit, your gateway to the world of cryptocurrencies. Experience unparalleled trading opportunities, unmatched reliability, and continuous innovation. Start your journey by effortlessly purchasing popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Chainlink, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, Tether. So yeah, that's what it is. And then you can just open it up. You can allow notifications. And then here's your crypto arc. Then you can just sign up. You can sign up easily with Apple or Google, for example. So for example, it was just try to create a test account. Then you need to verify your identity, upload photo and upload selfie. You can do that. And then this is how it looks like. So a lot of buttons, Web3 card, rewards hub, invite friends. By the way, invite friends if you want to earn some commission. This is my referral code 78NEPY, which you can enter. And that's the idea. So copy trading bot, rewards hub, where you can just see your hub after like doing all the tasks, and inviting friends. So yeah, and then you get 20 USD welcome gift. You can just also use it. So yeah, that's the idea. And then you also have markets, you also have derivatives, trade. And that's that. So then you can just start trading, and then you have your assets. So yeah, that's the idea of the app, just a very quick walkthrough.